Beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, as the title said, I'm going to introduce my cats to you guys. Her name is Nescoffy. As you can see, her color is like she is literally a human trapped in a cat. She understands everything. She's so freaking smart. She can open the door even. We adopted her when she was only 6 months. Yes. He is my boy. He is not happy at all. His name is Damu. And we adopted him when he was 1 month old. Thanks. Ouch! About 7 months or so ago, Nescoffy went out and she came back pregnant. She gave birth to 4 beautiful kittens. So he's Badum. How come? Gandalf. She kiss me. She is the fire of the house. She teases. She does everything that's naughty, and she's naughty. I have 3 boys and 3 girls at the moment. Nescoffy is technically my first cat, and she's amazing. She's my sister almost, my friend, everything. It's a huge responsibility, of course. Having a cat, even one, is hell of a responsibility, let alone 6. Nescoffy didn't face any health issues. She's generally a healthy cat, but Dom, my boy, he faced a lot of things. A lot of health issues, and it was a very hard time for all of us. I remember vividly that I was crying every night, Panleukopenia is one of the most dangerous disease for kittens, and if it's not treated, it's gonna kill the kitten 100%. And Damon had it when he was about 2 months or so, so it was so little, so small, and I lost 2 kittens because of this disease, and I was so afraid. But he made it. He is a survivor. About a month ago, he didn't eat well. We went to the doctor, and the doctor said that it was some kidney issues, and he cannot have dairies for the rest of his life, and he cannot eat red meat for the rest of his life, of course. If you want to have a pet, please think about it so hard, because they're not piece of tissue and you can throw them out. They will become a part of your family, and you will be so attached to them, and even one scar is enough to make you sob, trust me. Please don't buy pets. Please adopt. I adopted Nescoffy and Damun, of course. Please take care of animals, cats, dogs, animals, birds. It's just not about pets, it's about animals. Please take care of them. Please love them, because they will love you back, and their love is so pure that if they love you for nothing, not for your money, not your face, they are amazing. I'm not talking about specific species, I mean animals. Cats are, they're like, I love you, but if you're here, I'll be glad. If you're not, I'll handle myself. I'm allergic to cats. I didn't mention that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you're considering to have a pet or you already have a pet. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I post weekly. Love yourself. Bye.